Over the past few years, I've maintained a demanding schedule, working 2 jobs that require me to leave my house at 6 in the morning and return by 10 at night. This routine has become the unfortunate norm in my life. However, a couple of months ago, an unsettling incident occurred. Upon returning home one night, I followed my usual routine of showering and preparing for bed. Yet while in the shower, I heard movements outside the bathroom door. Hastily checking, I found nothing, attributing it to house creaks. Throughout the night, strange noises persisted,